Hello, my name is Nehal. I am working in a bank right now. I have launched this product which is called as Rumini soaps. The idea behind this soap was I just delivered a baby. My baby is 3.5 years old. But I had this matter. I was into maternity leave, so 6 months I was at home. Earlier, my job was like I used to work from 9 to 8 o'clock in the evening, so I was a very workaholic female. I never used to give time to my family and all. Later on, in maternity leave, I was completely, lonely. What a mother feels like. अरे अभी बच्चा हो गया, पहले सब ध्यान देते थे, अभी कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है मेरी तरफ. आई एम लोनली, बेबी को सब ध्यान दे. Everyone is more interested in where your baby is, what your kid is doing, and you were only sitting lonely at your home. And there is no office, there is no friends around because you have to take 24 by hours your care of your kids. So at that time I thought of launching some product which my son will be very happy and all. So I started browsing through internet, what are the new courses or what can I do extra. Sitting at home I was like completely bored of के यार अभी मैं क्या करूँ, बच्चे को ध्यान दो. आफ्टरनून दे यूज टेक मेजरली बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, दे विल स्लीप फॉर hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. So that time I started browsing around. There was a female in Mira Road who used to teach me how to make soaps. So I took classes from her, and gradually I learned different various channels. I started browsing. I started to go attend various workshops for soaps who used to make soaps, and I learned from them. Then now I am started my own business. I am doing soaps as well as I am managing my job, as well as I am doing healing, which I have learned for Lama Fera. Because after maternity, there are many females, even I have felt the same, that your bosses आपके जॉब्स में से आधा % आपका काम कट कर देते हैं. तो चलो अभी आप उतना कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाओगे, आप उतना प्रोडक्टिव नहीं हो पाओगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट. मेरा प्रमोशन वाज डिलेड एंड आई वाज लाइक अभी क्या करूँ मैं. आई वाज लॉस्ट कंप्लीटली. थोड़ा फ्रस्ट्रेशंस, आई वेंट इनटू डिप्रेशन. अभी क्या करूँ मैं. इमोशनल डर्टी थॉट्स, सुसाइडल थॉट्स. अब बच्चों को तो संभाल रहे ही है, बट हम लोग एक डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं फीमेल, दैट नाउ वी आर नॉट वांटेड. You are at a peak of your career and now suddenly आपका career is stopped. So what to do now? Family challenges, mother-in-law, father-in-law, सब. आप बच्चों को ध्यान दो, husband भी बोलेगा बच्चों को ध्यान दो. Jobs तो आते जाते रहेंगे. You should not concentrate much on your career and all. So there was a time where I was, एकदम depression में कि अभी क्या करूँ life में. What should I do? Then I went to Pune. There was an institute called as Lama Fera. There Satyendra Shukla sir was the one person who guided me very well in my emotional, मतलब हमें emotionally जितना जो problems हो रहे थे, I started doing meditation daily. Now I am healing myself also and I heal others. I do Lama Fera as well as I do Reiki healing. I have cleared 3 stages of Reiki healing, along with which I am doing my job. But yes, I did not get that level of importance in my job, so I started, why to work under someone, let's make our own business. क्यों किसी के नीचे दबना है. We are females and we have more power to ourselves. So I started doing this business which is called Rumini. I started with small things like सोसाइटी में दिवाली फंक्शंस हो गए या फिर नवरात्रि फंक्शंस हो गए, तो I started giving my soaps for free, sample soaps for kids, कि चलो they will use it. And gradually I started getting orders for this soap. Now this month was my son's birthday party, so I gave it as a return gift, and one day I got 50 orders on the same day. That come on ma'am, your soaps are very good and it's natural and our kids are loving it because they have toys in it, Peppa Pig toys, Iron Man toys, Avengers toys. So kids started loving it, and I don't use any chemicals. It is naturally. For yellow color soap I use turmeric. For green color soap I use tulsi ka mixture. So there is no color in anything, any of my soaps. There is no harmful chemicals. It is completely glycerin based soaps. So I will prefer you can also try it and order on my number. I'll share you my number, or you can even send me on my Instagram profile. You can do it on. That's it. Thank you. This is my story. I guess all women should have their own power to have their life under their control. Thank you so much.